What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out another video. Last time we left off, found out that we had to drill out the bolts for the trunk in order to get those LED lights put in. So today we're gonna do that, and hopefully we're gonna accomplish it in about an hour. So wish me luck. This may be a two-part video again. But for now, let's take apart this trunk liner and get out this chrome trim piece, and then we can access these bolts here. So as you can see, like this one, the head of the bolt is completely missing. So we're gonna have to drill it out regardless of whether these were seized up or not. But yes, these bolts are completely seized up. So let's take out this trunk liner, get out this chrome piece, and then we'll be on our way. Let's do it. Oh, and per usual, we're gonna be blacking out that chrome piece with the vinyl wrap. The vivid black metallic vinyl wrap, something like that. I'll have it linked down in the description. All right, and then once we get that off, we got a couple of these 10mm screws here, 4 of them, in a few spots on here to hold this chrome piece trim in. And then there's these like little pinch clips, these yellow clips. You gotta pinch them to get it fully out. So we're gonna do that, and we'll have this thing completely out. All right, now that we got this out, we can drill out these bolts and put new ones in. Always remember your protection. All right, hour's up. I'm gonna have to come back to this the next day. I still can't get that bolt. Bolt's being a pain in the butt. Got all the rest of them out, thankfully. But we're gonna keep going at this one. Hopefully we can get it out, and then we gotta get some new screws from Home Depot to put the new LED license plate lights in. We're going to wrap the trim flat black, and then I'll put those new lights in. So let's do it. See, that is dust particle, or probably a piece of this chrome flicking off, and I don't care about that because it's on the bottom, so we're gonna keep going. This vinyl's got air release, and if you press on it, it'll just come out, and since it's not, it's obviously a piece of dirt, or like I said, the chrome flicking off. Think about using knifeless tape on the edge here, but no one's gonna see this, so I'm gonna just freehand it, and yeah, be good to go. One more piece and this will all be done. All right, y'all, it's all wrapped. We are good to go. Okay, so now we have to figure out the situation with these screws. gonna have to make a run to either Home Depot, Advance Auto, something to get 4 more of these screws that hold in the housing for the LED lights. So let's make a run to Home Depot and see if we can find these screws. All right, y'all, got them. Hopefully one of these sets of screws works. If not, I'm gonna have to make another trip over there. But first, let's open up these new license plate lights I got. All right, let's open these up. Wait, I don't know why they included these resistors, because these are always running. It's not going to be a hyper flash issue. Okay, whatever. Let's see what these look like. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks like the resistors are like plug and play, which is kind of cool. Usually they like have them wired in, like hardwired in, so if you want to remove them, you gotta cut them and then put the circuit back together. But looks like these resistors are plug and play, so I don't think we need them. I'm not going to include them in there, but let's put these in. All right, these should just be plug and play. Let's see here. I have no clue if this is going to work. And we might as well try the other one. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna plug this in and see what happens. Let's see. Cover the sensor. Yeah, we'll have to cover the sensor. Oh, baby! Look at that. Man, those are so freaking bright. Alright, let's get these drilled in and we'll be good to go. Alright, for those who just skipped to the end of the video, I wanted to show you guys what the lights look like at night. As you can see, these things are freaking bright. Practically lights up the bottom of the ground. But yeah, so if you guys like what you see, make sure you subscribe for more. Got more planned for this car. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.